How to edit canvas size in Photoshop. Let's assume that your file is already open. Now, for the top menu, go to Image, then Canvas Size. A new Canvas Size dialog box will pop up. If you want to make the canvas larger without affecting the image, just increase the dimensions. Choose your new width and height. You can switch between pixels, inches, centimeters, and more using the drop-down. Click OK, and you'll see extra space appear around your image. If you want the space to be added only to the right or left side, use the 3x3 grid called the anchor in the dialog box to set the image's position. Once everything looks good, click OK. Your canvas will resize instantly. Another way to adjust the canvas is to grab the crop tool, pull the edges to the size you want, and hit Enter. The crop tool is not just for cropping, it can expand the canvas too. And that's how you edit the canvas size in Photoshop.